Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. If you want to delete the app that are not available on iPhone home screen, then what to do? Today's video is all about that. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. First of all, we have to make sure that the app is available in your iPhone that you want to delete. To make sure that, swipe down and in search bar type the name of the app that you are looking for or you want to delete. For example, I'm going to type YouTube. Here we go. YouTube app is available in your iPhone but not showing in iPhone home screen. How to delete this app? Simply, we have to go to settings, scroll, find and tap on Journal and tap iPhone storage. Have to wait for a few seconds. Then scroll, find and tap on the app that you want to delete and tap delete app. And tap again delete app to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.